Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing the essentials. Eligibility, filing, and a skeleton team make this non-negotiable. Once those are in place, you assign roles: who raises money, who organizes voters, who crafts messaging. Start fundraising and a 30/60/90-day timeline immediately. These drive daily choices. Make sure to define clear, measurable targets like $X and 1,000 contact attempts. You will prioritize quick wins that build credibility and data, because early traction simplifies every subsequent decision. Now scale from plan to action. You translate targets into systems. Once your CRM holds voter lists and turnout scores, segment targets for door knocks, calls, and ads. Make sure to deploy budget tracking so dollar and percent allocations match goals. Adjust weekly. Train teams with role play. You will monitor quality by listening and spot checking. Maintain daily compliance and reporting routines to avoid surprises. This operational backbone turns strategy into consistent, measurable outreach that lifts turnout and persuades undecideds. You finish by converting contacts into votes with focused God-EV execution. Once done, run tight surge operations: shifts, rides, texts, and reminder windows. Monitor metrics hourly for the last 72 hours and reallocate dollar and volunteers toward the highest ROI micro-targets. If numbers don't match forecasts, stop and audit data flows, contact scripts, and turnout assumptions immediately. Fix the weakest link. Make sure you keep calm, prioritize tasks that directly increase turnout, and communicate clearly with your field and finance leads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.